I feel very proud every time I see Darren perform. Hindi man siya ang naging grand champion ng The Voice Kids Philippines, I know that he will make it big in the music industry. Talagang na-enjoy ko ang duet namin at ang group number ko kasama sina Angeline Quinto, JR, and Coach Bamboo.
Ulitin ko po na I'm honored to be here, sharing the same stage kasama ang mga nagagamitin natin movie artists. And excited ko sa'yo kung okay na po ba rin kumanta ng Bono. Sino ko ang nakakapanood ng The Voice? Yes! Please welcome back on stage, Darren Espanto. Para po sa inyo lahat. Mag-party po tayo!
I did a duet with Darren Espanto, the great. The great talaga. Hindi, napakagaling na si Darren Espanto. He sang Ban Ban. Ngayon na tapos na yung competition, kahit na hindi siya yung nag-grand champion, napakarami niyang na-earn na mga admirers, tagahanga, fan supporters. Ngayon, nagkakasama kami sa mga event. Alam mo yung walang-wala kang worry, wala kang pag-aalinlangan sa bata na makakapag-deliver pa siya. Alam mo na kahit pabayaan mo siya, he can do very, very well. Closing song namin, along with other artists, we sang Please Don't Stop the Music.
Yung anthem ni Sarah. Kaya, you know, we're all just gonna have fun on stage and make the crowd dance with us.
The third, medyo fierce. Yung second and yung last, it was by Anthony Ramirez. Prior to that, nag-fitting naman kami to make sure na everything was okay, the fit.
Minsan lang ako mag-bihis ng ganito eh. And it's very exciting kasi marami palang artists na nandito ngayong gabi. And it's always fun to have them around and share the stage with them.
Obviously, they really enjoyed, right? I've heard people say that it's the best appreciation night they've ever attended. I mean, how could you go wrong with all the artists we have tonight?
Again and again, thank you very much po for the trust. At sa suporta niyo rin po no, sa lahat, sa mga proyektong ginagawa ko. Thank you, Globe! Finished performing para sa annual appreciation night ng Globe. Kasama ko po yung mga nagagalingang performers. Nandiyan po si Coach Bamboo, si JR, si Angeline Quinto, Jepang and Block 9, and of course, Darren Espanto. Thank you, Globe!